Charlie, Caroline Smolinski would like to know, which do you think is crazier? Bitcoin at 50,000 or Tesla's fully diluted enterprise value of 1 trillion? What do you make of these two pricings?
Well, I have the same difficulty that Samuel Johnson once had when he got a similar question. And he said, I can't decide the order of precedency between a flea and a louse. And I feel the same way about those choices. I don't know which is worse.
Richard Saunders would like to know, should there be a tax on buying stock now that Robinhood trades are free?
Well, Robinhood trades are not free. When you pay for order flow, you're probably charging your customers more and pretending to be free. It's a very dishonorable, low-grade way to talk. And nobody should believe that Robinhood's trades are free.